Kahit gaano kaganda ang produkto mo, kung hindi naman solid ang marketing strategy mo, you're not gonna be reaching your target market efficiently. You're not gonna be in front of the people who may be buying your product or service. Isa ka bang business owner at gusto mong lumago ang iyong negosyo? Iniisip mo pa minsan maganda naman yung serbisyo mo or maganda naman yung produkto mo, pero bakit ganon? Even if how great your product or service may look like, it's as if hindi siya binibili or hindi siya kinakagat ng mga tao. Alam mo, my friend, panoorin mo ito because this could be one of your business savers for today. Alam mo, kapag nagsisimula ka, you cannot really scale up your business yet. The top of the food chain when you're starting is scalability. Huwag mo muna yung isipin. When you're starting, ang kailangan mong isipin is what we call stability. Kailangan first and foremost maging stable agad yung negosyo mo. Kasi kapag yung negosyo mo stable na, you can work now on securing your business. Kapag secured na kahit papano yung cash flow ng iyong business, mas malaki na yung profit mo, mas malaki na yung net income mo than your expenditures or your OPEX, at nabawi mo na lahat ng CAPEX mo or capital expenditure or yung iyong puhunan, edi kahit papano mapupunta ka na doon sa tinatawag na security stage. Only then when you're done with security stage that you can actually go to your scaling up or scalability. Kaya wag mo munang pag-usapan yung scaling up, i-ensure mo muna na secure na yung negosyo mo based on the cash flow and based on the finances. At kung hindi ka pa nandun, kailangan masigurado mo muna that your business is actually stable. Alam mo mga kaibigan, meron lang isang paraan to make your business stable. And that is to work on and to ensure that you have a very solid marketing and sales strategy. Kahit gaano kaganda ang produkto mo, kung hindi naman solid ang marketing strategy mo, you're not gonna be reaching your target market efficiently. You're not gonna be in front of the people who may be buying your product or service. Kapag maganda ang produkto mo at marunong ka mag-market pero hindi ka naman solid pagdating sa iyong sales strategy, nagsasayang ka ng leads, nagsasayang ka ng inquiries kasi natatapon lang, nawi-waste lang yung mga leads at inquiries mo kasi hindi ka marunong mag-convert effectively. Hindi ka marunong pataasin yung tinatawag na ating conversion rate. Kaya kung gusto mo maging stable ang iyong negosyo and you wanna make sure that your cash flow is gonna be stable, suggestion ko sa'yo, make sure that you have a solid marketing and sales. Ngayon, kapag nagawa mo ito, mapupunta ka na sa tinatawag na security stage wherein ang titignan mo na lang dyan is how you can properly manage your finances well. Only by that time, you can think about scaling up. We're gonna teach you the process, fundamentals, and foundational principles that will ensure you will have a success in terms of conversion and sales strategy.